Hi, this is Mimi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are continuing with my September Build a Journal challenge where we spend September building a journal one day at a time. If you do not know what I am talking about, link down below is the introductory video as well as days 1 through 8. We have already chosen our cover, our signatures, our signature papers, our extras. We put our stamp on our pages by stamping, stenciling, painting, sewing. We made our cover, put our signature together, and in the last video we made pockets. So here are my pockets. I threw them in my journal so I wouldn't lose them. And today we are going to put our pockets in our journals. Now, I have said this before in a lot of these videos. I put this challenge together as an easy way for a novice or even people who've made 100 journals to not have to stress themselves out by making a pocket, putting it in, making a pocket, putting it in. So we made our pockets in one separate video, and today's video will be super quick because all we're doing is adding our pockets to our journal. That's all we're doing. So it's not as stressful for everybody to be like, oh, well, where am I going to put this pocket after you made your pocket? Do you understand what I'm trying to say and why I set it up like this? I don't know if it was super clear or not. I thought it was, but I'm not sure. I just feel like if you throw a bunch of things at somebody, especially someone who's never made a journal, and I was hoping this would be good for people who've never made journals before, and also be good for people who've made journals before and just wanted to play along and have an easy, stress-free month, and then at the end you have a full journal that's decorated and ready to go for your journaling. So I just thought by putting the things in on separate days would really just make it less stressful for people, that you're not overwhelmed with making everything and then having to put it in. So it's not as overwhelming for you, is basically was my thought on that. So I have my 5 pockets I made in yesterday's video. They're just simple pockets that they're going to get glued in. And then these are 2 tall pockets. So what I'm going to do is line my pockets up so I can see what they look like. Get out my glue. Here it is, my Bearly Art glue. Okay, Bearly Art is the only glue I use. I like it. And here's my journal. Now, like I said, we put our signatures in. We made our journal covers. We put our signatures in. This I want to use later on. That's why it's in there. And now we just need to find where we're going to put our pockets. So I have 5. I have 2 pockets already built in the first signature with this paper bag. So I want to make sure that I have 3 in the second signature. So I'm going to make sure that in the first signature, I only have 2 because I already have a pocket built in. Okay. Since I have a pocket here, I don't need one there. But what about here? This is 2 blank empty pages. So we should really put something here. Or do we want to go low? I think I'm going to put this one. Oh, you know what? What's the middle of this signature? No, my middle signature has this. So I'm going to put this in my second signature. I'm just going to take this one here and glue this one in here. Okay, so all we're going to do is glue our 3 sides. Get as close to the edge as you can. Okay, and then we're going to put our pocket in. And it's that easy. You find a spot that you would like a pocket and you glue it in. Okay, and if you have more than I have, because I only have 5 pockets, because I said to make at least 5 pockets. You had to make 5 pockets. You could have made more. but I thought 5 pockets was good, but if you wanted to make more, you can make more. Okay, so now that's at the front of our first signature. So let's head to the back of our first signature and go from there. Now this is the other side of that same blank paper. So why not just put it there, huh? So right here we'll add another pocket, and let's do a tall pocket. Do this tall pocket right here, and then we can put a nice tall tag in when we make our tags. So once again, we're just going to glue 3 sides and add the pocket. Now also, when you were making the pockets, you could have made your pockets anyway. You could have also sewed around your pockets if you wanted that look. I didn't feel like grabbing out my sewing machine again. No lies. Okay, so now I'm going to put that down and press on this side. And then we're going to move on to the next signature. So this is the second signature. So let's see. I would really like to try to put them on the plain pages, because I think that's the best spot for me personally to put them. So let's go with this one here. Or should we do this? No, let's do this side. Okay. And we're going to, as we've done with the others, or try not to glue our hands. That would be helpful. Put this in. I'm just going to close that signature and do it this way. Okay, now we're going to move on. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Let's put this one here. I like the doily covering it when you flip through. Okay. Let's try not to glue my hand again. All right. Actually, you know what? I'm going to put it on this side because I like that. And I don't really want to cover that up. So we're going to put it on this side. I think this might be the only page that looks like that. And I think this would be really cool for journaling in those spots there. So I don't want to cover that up. Okay. So let's see. And then we'll come to this one and add this one right here. All right. Okay. All right, so let me put my pin in my glue, and then we will look at the pockets again. I have a lot of like glue residue on my tip here. There we go. It was bad because my glue has been, no matter how many times I burp my glue, glue's been coming out the tip. All right, so here we go. So like I said, in the first signature, we have this pocket here. It is so pretty. I really love this pocket. And then this pocket here, a nice tall pocket. I like this one too. I like all the pockets I made. I'm actually very shocked by that. And then that was it for the first signature. So the second signature, we have this pocket here, and there's another one. What here? Another tall pocket. And then we flip through and find a final pocket here. Okay, so that is day 9, September 9th, and that is all of our pockets. That's all you have to do today, is find spots for your pockets and put them in. I like to put mine on blank pages. You can put yours wherever you want. Absolutely wherever you want, you can put your pockets. Okay, and then for tomorrow, we are making tuck spots. So come back tomorrow when we make at least 4 tuck spots to add to our journal. And yeah, comment down below. Let me know how many pockets you made. Okay, I'm really curious to know how many pockets you decided you wanted to make. Like, subscribe, and then I will see you guys tomorrow for our next video in the series. Have a great rest of your day.